Hello, you are especially welcome to another topic today. You know, we have been discussing about poultry feed formulation using available local raw materials. Most especially in this particular video, we are treating broiler finisher feed formulation 100 kg with local raw materials, waste we can get from our environment. Waste like pap waste, this last dry grain, rice bran, wheat offal, banana, plantain, orange, pineapple, and other kitchen waste. That's what we're discussing here. So if you have this waste in your environment, or you know where you can get them at affordable rate or at a gift, make use of them after watching this video. This video is going to be centered on 100 kg only, so that it will be easier for you to calculate. Please, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an assignment, because this is the last video I'm making on this feed formulation. I'll give an assignment, and that assignment, please try and do it. Drop it on the comment section. I will be glad that you did it. So now I'll give you the raw materials we are using and the nutritional composition and inclusion rate, as I will also give you the nutritional analysis of this particular feed at the end. Also give you an assignment which you do at your own comfort. Then drop the answer on the comment section. Let's start with the ingredients. Number one here is corn or maize. Number two here is this last dry grain sorghum. Number three here is rice bran. Our number four here is wheat offal. Number five here is pap waste. This is waste you derive from pap. And that one, number six, is dried cassava pea. Number seven is dried yam and potato pea. Number eight is groundnut cake, GNC. Number 9 is soybean meal, SBM. Our number 10 is animal blood meal. Number 11 is bone meal. Our number 12 is salt. Number 13 is vitamin and mineral premix. Number 14 is lysine. Number 15 is methionine. Number 16 is enzyme. Number 17 is toxin binder. Please, in this particular list of ingredients, number one is maize. This last dry grain is waste from these local drinks they call brukutu. I think it's prepared by the northern side, Jos Plateau, all these northern areas. They make use of grains like millet, guinea corn, and others. It is fermented and they use it to produce that brukutu. The waste from that brukutu is what this last dry grain. Number three here is rice bran. Rice bran is waste from rice processing zone. Wheat offal, the same thing. Pap is the extract from that pap after removing the starch. The waste that they used to gather is what we call pap waste. Dry cassava pea, you need to dry it properly, at least up to 98%, to avoid the cyanogic acid. It has an acid substance that can wipe out oil, destroy your farms. So you don't need to you need to take care in preparing this cassava peel. The yam peel also is available here. Granite cake is available. Soya bean is available. Animal blood meat is here. You get goat, chicken blood is good, but cow is still good if you can prepare it very well, because most of the times the danger of using cow blood meat is because of what they call mad cow disease. It's a viral infection that attacks cows. So if that cow has mad cow disease, if you make use of the blood, if you not process properly well, it's going to affect your chicken. Your chicken is going to contact that infection also. It's transmissible to poultry and others here. Please, let's start let me give you the crude protein content of each of these feed ingredients. Then corn, we know, is 8.5% crude protein. This last dry grain is 27% crude protein. Rice bran is always 13% crude protein, well processed. Wheat or flour is always 15% crude protein. Pap west from pap is always 8% crude protein. Depending on the type of grain they use for that pap, you know there are different grain. Then another one is dried cassava, 7% crude protein. Dried cassava is 7%. Dried yam is 5% crude protein. GNC is 45% crude protein. Soya bean is 45%. Blood meat is 85%. This is where the protein content. Other ones are minerals and vitamins. So now, if you want to prepare or calculate the crude protein content of the feed, what do you need to do? Multiply the inclusion rate here, which I'm going to give you here. The inclusion rate of corn here, we're making use of 40.35. Then this last dry grain, we're making use of 10 kg. For rice bran, we're making use of 8 kg. Wheat or flour, we're making use of 8 kg. Pap west, we are making use of 4 kg. Dried cassava, we're making use of 3 kg. Then dried yam, we're making use of 2 kg. GNC, we are making use of 10 kg, but this is a major source of protein. Soya bean, we're making use of 10 kg, major source of protein. Blood meal, we're making use of 1 kg. Then our bone meal is 2 kg. Our salt, our minerals, sodium chloride, we're going to make use of 0.30 kg. Then our vitamin and mineral premix, we're making use of 0.25 kg. Our lysine, we're making use of 0.10 kg. Our DL methane, we're making use of 0.15 kg. Our enzyme, we're making use of 0.05 kg. Then our toxin binder, we're making use of 0.10 kg. This is what we're using here. Now, if you want to calculate the crude protein of this particular feed, what do you need to do? Multiply this by this and divide by 100. This will give you 40.35 times 8.5 divided by 100. What is the answer? Drop it here. This last dry grain, 10 kg, 10 times 27 divided by 100. Drop the answer here. Rice bran, 8 kg times 13 divided by 100. Then wheat or flour, 8 kg times 15 divided by 100. Pap west, 4 times 8 divided by 100. Dried cassava, 7 times 3 divided by 100, or 3 times 7, anyone please. Yam, 2 kg, 2 times 5 divided by 100. Then GNC, 10 times 45 divided by 100. Soya bean, 10 times 45 divided by 100. Blood meal, 1 times 85 divided by 100. This is the where we have. Please do this calculation. At the end, add them up here and give me the total crude protein, total CP on the comment section. Please do that calculation for me. Add up, multiply this by this and divide by 100 and bring the answer. All after adding them, please do that. Try and do that, please. I know that I will not flog you if you don't do it, but do it for your own sake. Drop it on the comment section so that if I see you do this assignment, anytime I see a question on the comment section, I will answer that question instantly for doing this, for being part of this assignment. Now, if you want to get the fat and energy of this particular product, it is also very important. What you do is, what is the fat content of this corn? What is the fat content of this last dry grain? If this is fat, go to the video and check the nutritional analysis of all these ingredients. If you can't see them, please, they are there already in the video, the first videos I did on this particular feed calculation. And the one good thing is that I placed them under the same channel. All the whole videos on this I have not posted in the Poultry TV all this while I've been doing this, because so that you can get your hands on these videos one after the other. Watch the videos from beginning. For the past 2 weeks now, we have been doing this. We have been following this one after the other. Please don't make sure that you don't make mistake at all. Follow them. If you don't know the nutritional list of all these feed ingredients one after the other, let me know. They are there already. The fat is there, the energy is there, the fiber is there, and others. Check the fat content of corn. If it's 5%, then what you do is 40.35 times 5 divided by 100. Then this, if this is 15%, 27 times 15 divided by 100. That's what you do to get the fat. What of the energy? The energy is there already on the natural energy content of each of these feed ingredients are there. Multiply the inclusion rate times the energy content divided by 100, you get the energy. Please calculate. Let me clean this before I give you what I got after my own calculation. Let me clean all this. Compare it with your own result. Let's see whether we are on the same page, please. I will give you the nutritional analysis of this feed. Then you check it with your own to see if you actually get it right or not. Now, what are the nutritional composition of this feed? Now, the CP of this feed equals to crude protein is 18 to 19% CP. The energy, metabolism energy, ME, is equal to 2,700 to 2,900 per kg. The crude fiber I got is 14, that's 4 to 6%. My calcium was 1.0 to 1.3%. That's the range. Give me your own, please. Available phosphorus was 0.45 to 0.60%. Lysine 0.9 to 1.0%. Methionine 0.4 to 0.5%. This is all I got. Note that all these ingredients must be properly dried before you make use of them. Like this rice bran must be dried, wheat offer must be dried, properly dried. Up west especially, most especially cassava peel and yam peas must be properly dried to avoid contacting infections that will bind your poultry birds. Please, I want you to do this assignment for me. Calculate the energy content of this feed, crude protein, fat, and others. Get your own as I got my own here. Let me see the way you calculate it, please. Drop it on the comment section so that I will see it and we'll talk from there. If you have any question regarding this topic, please drop it on the comment section also. Give this video a thumb up. There is a sign of thumb up there. Give it a thumb up. Join our channel membership so that you contribute to the growth of this channel. Don't be left out. And our Eco Bio Booster, our super organic product that boosts the growth of your poultry and livestock birds. This is a 3-liter cake. This is a 3-liter cake. We have it in 3 liter, we have it in 5 liter, and others also. Our 3-liter cake is only 25,000 naira. Then 5 liters is only 50,000 naira. If you need any of them, drop it on the comment section. I will give you details on how to reach me so that I'll send it to you. You make your payment and use it to grow your poultry birds super weight and massive growth. Thank you for watching this video. We are going to meet in the next video loading very soon, but not on this feed formation again, unless there's any question that will lead you to go back to this feed formation. For now, this is the final video on this feed formation till further notice. Till then, bye.